Can't find the options to change your name on Facebook because your personal and account info is not showing up? Don't worry, I have got it covered. In this video, I will show exactly how to fix it. Alright, first open your Facebook app and log into the account where you want to update your name. Now look at the top right corner, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap those to open your main menu. Scroll down a bit until you spot Settings and Privacy. Tap to expand it. Then tap on Settings. Here, where most people get stuck once you are in Settings, look for Account Center. That's where Facebook manage your details across Facebook and Instagram. Tap on it. Inside the Account Center, tap on Profiles, then select your Facebook profile, the one you want to update. On your profile page, tap on Name. This is the magic button. Now you can edit your first, middle and last name. Make sure everything is spelled exactly how you want it. Once you change your name, you will be locked out of editing it again for the next 60 days. When you are all set, tap on Review Change. Choose how your name will appear, and boom, you are done. And that's it. You have successfully changed your name on Facebook.